Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Skytech Azure Gaming PC Desktop, a high-performance rig that's designed to deliver incredible gaming experiences and handle demanding tasks with ease. If you're in the market for a new gaming PC, stick around to find out if this one should be on your shortlist. And don't forget to check the link below for the best deal available today. Performance. The Skytech Azure is powered by the Intel i7-14700F processor, clocking in at 2.1 GHz with a turbo boost up to 5.3 GHz. This 14-core CPU is perfect for gamers and power users who need top-notch performance. Whether you're gaming at ultra settings, streaming, or running intensive applications, this processor handles it all with smooth efficiency and lightning-fast speeds. Couple that with the NVIDIA RTX 4068 GB GDDR6X graphics card, and you've got a setup that's ready for high-quality gaming and creative work. With the RTX 4060, you can enjoy crisp, detailed visuals and high frame rates in modern titles, thanks to advanced features like ray tracing and DLSS. Storage and memory. The 2TB SSD ensures ample storage and incredibly fast load times for your games, applications, and files. You won't have to worry about running out of space or waiting for long boot times with this generous amount of storage. Combined with 16GB DDR5 RAM running at 5200 MHz, multitasking is a breeze, and you'll experience smooth, responsive performance whether you're gaming, editing, or handling multiple tasks at once. Cooling and power. The 360mm ARGB AIO liquid cooler is included to keep your CPU temperatures in check, even during those intense gaming sessions. The ARGB lighting not only helps with cooling but also adds a stylish, customizable look to your setup. With a 750W Gold PSU, you get reliable and efficient power delivery, ensuring stable performance and room for future upgrades or additional components. Connectivity and design. The Skytech Azure also includes Wi-Fi for fast and stable internet connections, which is crucial for online gaming and streaming. The sleek, modern design of the case, combined with the ARGB lighting, makes this PC not just a powerhouse but also a visually impressive addition to any gaming setup. The clean lines and customizable lighting ensure it looks as good as it performs. Final verdict. Overall, the Skytech Azure Gaming PC Desktop offers a fantastic balance of performance, style, and reliability. With its Intel i7-14700F processor, NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics card, 2TB SSD, and 16GB DDR5 RAM, it's built to handle today's most demanding games and applications with ease. The impressive cooling system and stylish design only add to its appeal. If you're looking for a high-performance gaming PC that won't break the bank, the Skytech Azure is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check out the link below to grab the best deal, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments.